everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to demo how to tidy up a men's haircut without really doing anything too drastic. As per usual, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Please hit that like button and leave any comments or questions that you may have below. Let's do this. I'm here with my husband Joe, and he normally wears a shorter hairstyle. So what we're going to do today is just tidy up these little gnarly bits right on the nape area, around the ear as well, and this is just going to kind of refresh the hair without really getting a major haircut. And I think that it's really important for all of you to consider that when you are doing your men's haircuts at home. Today I'll be using my Oster Classic clippers. I'm using a number 2 guard. I'm also going to use a really basic cutting comb to help me sort of blend and comb through the sections and make this really effortless and clean. Here's a really important technique that I want you to consider when you are cutting your partner's hair. What you want to do is make sure that you're using a C formation. So as that clipper lifts off the head, it's going to kind of lift off where that natural occipital bone is, or where that curvature to the head is. So C formations and then lift away from the head. C formation and then lift away from the head. Got it? Here's another thing you'll want to remember. Don't have like a death grip on your clippers. You want to be able to sort of just manipulate it with your fingers back and forth, so it's a light hold, and you're literally just rocking it back and forth along the scalp, so that you're not really like pulling on the hair. It's not really, you're not fighting with it. It's really important to do that, so that way it's a little bit more smooth and transitional with it. You also want to consider the direction of the hair growth. So you can see how on this side his hair is growing up this way, and on this side it's growing down this way. So if you're going in the same direction as you are here, you're not really going to get this section trimmed up at all. So you now want to change your direction and just rock it downwards. And now you've evened out both sides. So now we're going to change it up and go with more of a trimmer. And there's a difference between the clippers and the trimmers. A clipper is larger, it does most of the bulk of the work, whereas a trimmer is a bit smaller, it just does the more fine detailed work. If you guys have a peanut at home, that will sort of do double duty, but this is a really great one just to kind of clean up around the ear. So when we tidy up around the ear area, you want to just brush all the hair sort of towards the ear, and then go ahead and just trim those little bits of hair around the ear, just very carefully and lightly. And same thing when we want to tidy up around the hairline here, you're going to comb it the opposite direction and ever just so gently tidy up around the hairline. Here are a few of my favorite styling products that I highly recommend for men with shorter hairstyles. The KMS molding paste is a really great product for giving you a nice firm hold without being too crispy or hard. It's definitely flexible, but it definitely holds the hair in place. You can apply it in the hair wet or dry, and you can sort of build upon it. So it's really a great product if you want to create a big pompadour style, or if you want to just have a short, kind of messy men's hairstyle, just rub it through the hair and it's perfect. You're going to love this product. The other men's styling product that I highly recommend would be the Orbe Rough Luxury Molding Paste. This product here is really great, similar to the same formula as the KMS. It's more of a cream, so when you put it in the hair, it's easy to apply, it's very malleable, but when it dries, it stays in place and it really holds. It's also paraben-free, it's sulfate-free, it's plant-based, and celiac-friendly, so if anyone has any sensitivities to the scalp, this would be a really great product. You simply apply a little bit on your hand. It's a nice soft and moldable product. Run it through your hands and really warm it up, and then just rub it through. And that, my friends, is how you do a simple men's tidy up haircut. For more information about this, please leave a message below, and stay tuned for the next episode. I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you next time. What do you think, Yos?
I look simply amazing.